Hey guys, Matthew here with cool stuff. It's been a while since I've last posted a video. I've kind of been busy and getting a lot of stuff done, but I'm back, so here we are. Today I've got the Bose Alto style frames. These are like their sunglasses, but has a built-in speaker within the sunglasses kind of things. These kind of compete with sunglasses such as like the Zungle Viper 2s. And so I decided to go ahead and pick a pair of these up. This is not sponsored by Bose at all, but I've been looking at these and I finally decided, you know what, let's go ahead and just try to get a pair and see how they sound. I tested a pair in the store and they sounded pretty good, so I went ahead and got these for you guys to watch. So let's go ahead and unbox these. Okay, so here are the headphones, or sunglasses. As you can tell, they are sunglasses. They are the Alto style, so these are more of the square style. I forgot what the name of the other style is, but those are more rounded. So it just depends on your style, but I prefer the Alto style. Kind of the Ray-Ban Wayfarer style sunglasses. So yeah, let's go ahead and open these up. Let's get rid of this plastic right here. And it comes in a nice, cool little box right here. So, let's go ahead and get our knife. Let's go ahead and actually, I think you can use the tabs, but since we already have the knife here, we'll go ahead and use that. Same with this side as well. Go. So yeah, and here's this. The first thing we agree with is the sunglasses, or at least the case that houses the sunglasses. So this is a nice case. It's kind of a leathery case, so it feels good. It has the Bose pattern on the front or on the top. So let's go ahead and pull these out. And here we have the sunglasses. Wrapped here, and so here they are. These sunglasses are, I tried them in stores. They look good. They're kind of big, so if you have a smaller face, I would say just be wary of these sunglasses and how they would look on your face. But overall, they are a nice pair of sunglasses from what I can tell. They don't have any kind of finish on them, so they're not gonna like have that reflective blue or green finish like my Ray-Bans have on the lenses. However, the lenses they're just that subtle black color. So we also have a pouch here, and this pouch should house our charging cord. Yes, it does house our charging cord. Let's go ahead and, so you can just plug this into any USB type A power brick, and then this right here would just connect to the side of the sunglasses. As you can see, there's that, and they just connect to the side like that through like a magnetic kind of thing. So that's nice. Nothing crazy. However, if you do lose this, you will be up a creek without a paddle. I think either you'll have to go to Bose and try to buy another one, or you just wear these as regular sunglasses. I will say that these are pretty long in the back. Most sunglasses end about right here, but because you've got to house the battery and everything, it keeps them going. So just be aware of that. This does have a nice little pouch. You do have a nice, kind of a hard case, so that's always cool. And then let's move this aside. Let's see what else, if anything else there is in here. Okay, so in the top lid of the case, it's kind of your user manual. It has a little sunglass logo here. You can just pull this out. Let's go ahead and try to open this up. And you just got like your user manual, kind of a quick start, kind of how to use the sunglasses, and then some more kind of just some warranty guides, stuff like that. So yeah, we don't really need that, so we can throw that. And so yeah, we don't need this anymore. Okay guys, so let's go over the physical features of these sunglasses real quick. So you have the regular standard frames and the standard lenses on these. These are not polarized. And then if you open them up, on the inside you see you have the charging connector. This uses the proprietary charging connector that Bose has. If you lose this, you'll have to go to Bose and buy one of these. This isn't like a micro USB or USB Type-C charger. You have to actually buy a Bose charger for this, for these pair of sunglasses slash earphones, kind of, yeah. But anyways, as you can tell here, you also have this little button here, and what this button does is if you press once, it turns it on, and then it turns on, and then if you press it again, it will go ahead and play or pause your music. If you press twice, it will skip to the next track. If you press 3 times, it'll skip back a track. If you receive a call, you can actually answer your call on these sunglasses. You just press that button, this button right here, once, and it will go ahead and answer the call. Same with ending the call as well. And then I think if you press and hold it, it will pull up your assistant, like your Google Assistant or your Siri. I don't think it has support for Amazon Alexa or Bixby, but I'm not 100% sure. I have tried these a little bit. I will come out with an actual full review, but I believe that the just watching a video with these sunglasses, the latency is not, there's not much of a latency on this, so that's always good. But I will do a full review after testing these sunglasses for a while, and just to give you guys like kind of a this is good, this is not good about these sunglasses slash headphones. It's just a cool product that Bose came out with that still sounds good, but isn't going to be like blow your ears out kind of thing for like headphones. But still, it's a neat little device that Bose has that I will do a review on these shortly. But anyways, I just wanted to go over kind of the physical features of this pair of sunglasses. So anyways, thank you for watching. That is kind of my unboxing and kind of first impressions video of this pair of sunglasses. Stay tuned for a full review video on this pair of Bose sunglasses, and then I will also do kind of a comparison between these sunglasses and the Zungle Viper version 2 pair of bone conducting sunglasses, kind of 2 different technologies that both play music. But anyways, thank you for watching. Again, I'm sorry for not posting any videos in a while. I've been busy, but I'm back, and so hopefully I will be able to get on a regular schedule again. But anyways, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. If you want to be notified when I do post a video, there is a bell icon somewhere around here that when I post a video, it will let you guys know and pop it up. And so, but anyways, go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more videos, and stay tuned for more. Thank you. Peace.